We are on a nature walk, as you can see here.
We have a wedge in it, making it so that we're more safe.
Yep. And we're wearing jackets because, you know, it is getting cold, and plus wearing these so we don't get mosquitoes.
Yeah.
That's a spider web.
They get through everything.
That better not have been a spider web I walked through, and hopefully it was my hair. But yeah, man. Look at this.
Okay, well, so this is my weapon.
Be careful. Be careful, okay? If you fall, just don't fall, okay?
I know.
Because that's really dangerous what you're doing right now.
I know, but I need the sharpness.
Well, you'll need it now, okay?
No, we don't need that. What if like some big animal comes out?
Well, Mama, if there was a big animal here, something dangerous, then you know they close this park off, not park, this island to the residents.
It's a pretty sure it's
And plus, look, there's a trail that people can walk on.
yeah, I'm pretty sure somebody made this trail.
It looks like a den. It looks like a raccoon home.
Oh yeah, what if a raccoon tries to attack?
Raccoons are shy in the day.
No, I know they are pretty shy. But then the camera like that sometimes. As long as we follow the trail back, then we'll be fine.
Make sure you check behind us, alright, bud?
What?
Make sure you always check behind us, alright, buddy?
Okay, that's what I've been doing. So we are looking at that.
Strange. Nothing on here.
The river is fine, definitely. I'm guessing the rain wore it away.
Maybe.
So when you think we should stop?
Hmm. Yeah, that's a long way, Wama.
Yeah, I know. I really don't like that.
Hmm. Alright, we'll walk back for now. And when we have the whole group here, maybe we can all walk together or something.
Yeah, when we walk together, we'll be safer. I'm pretty sure we made the right choice.
We are.
Now you make sure you.
We're getting swarmed, Wama.
You're getting one.
You got mosquitoes on your back.
Oh. I can keep your back on.
This is the thing we should be worried about because there's mosquitoes out here.
Section's a little bit higher.
Lucky for me, I got long hair, so the mosquitoes can't get to my ears or not much of my face.
This is my arm for you grow by hair. That's what hold your breath and you have to smell them.
We walked a solid good 3 minutes, Wilma.
I've heard notice it.
Well, I'm recording.
Oh. Well, you spent a minute coming back, so that gives you 2 minutes. There you go. There it is. Outside. That's where we're supposed
God, look at all the mosquitoes. Those like the small ones, like the really, really small ones.
to. Yep.
Probably newborns.
Definitely just came out. That means that there's a water source down in the middle.
Yeah. Probably got like what, a swarm of mosquitoes behind me as well. Look at this.
You see?
Is there any mosquitoes behind me?
No. None. Yeah, there's none.
Must be the clothing I'm wearing.
There's definitely not like a billion.
I'm gonna end this right here.